In this video, I'm going to show you how to download add-ons for Minecraft 1.21.9. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be utilizing Google Chrome. Then all you want to do is you want to look up mcpecentral.com, then go ahead and just look it up. Then it is going to bring you to a website that looks like this, where you're able to find all the most recent and up-to-date Minecraft add-ons, texture packs, shaders, etc. And all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three bars just like so. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling until you see the option that does say mods. And just to avoid any type of confusion, I'm going to be using the word mods and add-ons interchangeably, but they are basically the same thing. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on that. From here, you guys will now get a list of all of the available mods for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and find whichever mod actually does look good to you. Now for this video, let's go ahead and work with this add-on right over here, which does add a bunch of different biomes. So let's go ahead and press on it like so. And typically what this website will do is that it will give you a bunch of information about the website itself over here. And it will also give you some images to go along with it. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see the download link. So let's go ahead and find it. Yep, here it is. So it is going to say download here. And whenever you do go ahead and press on it, you will notice that there's going to be like a blue underline. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now I'm going to be as transparent as possible. Every single download link is slightly different. What some add-on creators do is that they make you go through a couple of advertisements. And then after you look at those advertisements, you will now have access to the direct download. So please keep in mind and make sure that you only download add-ons and mods from reliable places like mcpecentral.com. Anyways, guys, after that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the download button right over here. And now it is going to begin installing the add-on to your device. All right, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store just like so. Then in the bottom menu, you want to go ahead and go to the search bar and type in File Manager. Once you're over here, keep on scrolling down until you see this application in particular. It is going to say File Manager, and just double check that it does say File Manager Plus right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on Open. Once you're over here, you're going to get a bunch of folders that look like this, but the only one you want to focus on is this downloads folder over here. So please go ahead and press on that. From here, it is going to give you a list of all of the downloads in your device. So you can go ahead and scroll down. But basically, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and locate the add-on that you did just install. So mine is right over here. But what you guys could also do is go to the search bar and just type it in manually. So it really is up to you. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate the file of the add-on that you did just install. Then you want to go ahead and long press on it. Then you want to go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says rename. Now here's where things get really important, and this is arguably the most important part of the entire tutorial. So double check that the file name ends in .mcaddon, not .mcaddon.zip or .mcaddon.7z or whatever. Basically, you want to make sure that it strictly ends in a .mcaddon, and you'll notice that in this instance, it ends in .mcaddon.zip. So that means we need to get rid of that .zip. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and delete it, and then go ahead and press on done once you went ahead and finish that. And then once you do that, you will now notice that it will actually change. The icon of the file will change, and that is 100% normal. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and long press on it one more time, then go to the bottom menu, then press on the three dots that say more, then go ahead and press on open with, then go ahead and select on Minecraft. You may need to go ahead and scroll down until you see Minecraft. Then you guys can go ahead and pick on just once or always. It doesn't really matter. Either one will get the job done. But let's just go ahead and press on just once really quickly. And now it is going to go ahead and open up Minecraft for us. All right, guys, once you load it into Minecraft, you want to start using your add-on. So to do that, go ahead and press on play. And let's actually create a brand new world. So then you want to go ahead and press on create new world. Then go ahead and press on create new world right over here. You guys can name the world whatever you want. Set it to whatever game mode you are most comfortable with. Then in the left menu, you want to go ahead and select over here where it says experiments, and you want to turn all of these on right over here. So custom biomes, up and coming creative features, beta APIs and stuff like that, because these are all tools that a lot of add-ons use. So make sure that all these are turned on. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on behavior pack. Now I'm going to go ahead and quickly describe how add-ons work really quickly. So typically a lot of add-ons consist of two components, the behavior pack and a resource pack. So we need to apply both of them in order for it to work. So we need to apply the biomes add-on behavior pack and the biomes add-on resource pack. So here we are in the behavior pack. So let's go ahead and just activate it right over here. Double check that it is actually active. Then you want to do the same thing with the resource pack. So go ahead and select the resource pack, and then you want to go ahead and just locate the biomes add-on, and it's already selected over here. So that is good to go. Keep in mind, some add-ons only consist of a behavior pack. So if whatever add-on you download only has a behavior pack, do not worry, that is 100% normal. I'm just saying that oftentimes they do come with two parts, a resource pack and a behavior pack. But anyways, guys, once you got all that ready, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on create, then go ahead and press on create anyways. All right, guys, and as you're able to tell, this actually did work. Here we are in a brand new biome, and things honestly look completely different. We get all these awesome looking trees and stuff like that. But yeah, from here, you should be good to go. And yo, we got an ostrich. Yo, that is definitely pretty cool. But yeah, I also do make a lot of content showcasing the best add-ons out there. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to leave a like in this video. And also, if you did find this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, as we are trying to reach 400,000 subscribers. See you later, French fries.